Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of the Quiver for another Quiver Wiki. I'm out of breath. DLSU wins
Ako rin.
74-70
Lahat naman yata tayo. Except si Jacob.
except Jacob.
Except si Jacob.
Did Jacob play the whole fourth quarter? Did Jacob play the fourth quarter?
Ano, parang last 1 minute na lang.
Parang he played the last one.
Doon lang siya parang, oy, kailangan natin basket ha.
Oo.
Sige coach, pasa ako coach.
I mean, everyone knew he was coming in pero I don't think anyone realized that it was the last 1 minute to go.
Ano yung parang yung ano yun, enters the game, says nothing, shoots a 3, leaves.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Ayun lang.
I mean, we have to double check. We have to double check. But
Hindi ako.
ay,
Kasi,
ikaw, sigurado. Oh.
tingin ko yes. Kasi parang, ano na eh. Actually, late third quarter.
Yeah, late third, they took
Si
him out.
Kian na yung naglalaro eh. So,
Yeah.
although ako naman, in-expect ko na he will play on that particular part
Ako rin,
of the
ako
game
rin,
kasi
yeah.
wala na, kailangan natin ng basket eh.
Ako rin.
But yun nga, parang ano lang talaga siya eh, walang rust or anything na
Yeah.
And parang business as usual.
business as usual.
Okay. Well, there's two things I want to talk about. First, Harold Alarcon.
So, grabe.
Oh, grabe. Sir!
30
Bastos mo.
34
Hinog na,
points,
hinog na
34
talaga, hinog na,
si
hinog na, hinog na.
Alarcon.
Pampro na, hinog na.
Yeah. But Vic, were you happy that it was just Alarcon scoring?
Yun yung binanggit ko kanina na nung second round natin, 'di ba? Parang si Remogat din eh.
Oo.
'Di ba nung second round natin elimination si Remogat din was really hot shooting
Yeah.
game, 'di ba?
Yeah.
But the others didn't contribute. So similar lang din siya na nangyari today na Harold was really on a
On
torrid shooting and scoring game, no? And yun. So basta ang sabi ko lang naman kanina, for as long as siya lang,
Yeah.
wala nang iba. Kasi it will really be difficult for us if there's another person that makakatulong niya na umiscore din ng ganun eh. So it's
Yeah,
just
correct.
pati ano naman, wala ka naman na masabi sa talent ni Harold kanina. He really, I mean, we practically did what we have to do defensively and
Oo.
it's just
talagang
kumbaga skill
Better
work.
offense lang talaga.
Skill work na lang talaga kay Harold. So kudos talaga, ripe for the pros na rin talaga. So
Pahinga ka na, Harold. Pahinga ka na.
hindi, pero yun,
Yeah,
hindi
and
ako nagulat na he was able to show up
Yeah.
for this game.
Yeah, and a lot of tough jumpers
Yo,
Like
naman.
you have to give credit to the LaSalle defense, whoever we put on him whether that was Boris, Pablo
We tried
or
to
whatever.
make him
Oo.
take
Work for it
jumpers or
Pero
drive
ang
to his
bastos
weak
talaga
side, pero he's making them eh. So wala ka na magagawa doon.
So, yun. But again, played very good defense on the guy. He was hot. He kept UP as close. And he almost scored half of UP's points.
Oo,
Oo,
grabe.
34 points Harold, 36 the rest of UP. Is that something Coach Goldwyn will take a look at in coming into the game 2 of the finals? What do you think?
Oh, sige, ano yun? Next game, 70 points. Puro si Alarcon na lang.
See, okay lang sa'yo. Basta tayo mag-71 or more.
Oo,
Sa
Yun
71
naman
talaga.
yun. Yun naman yung aim doon.
All right. Okay, so that's the first talking point. I think in general we're quite happy that we let Alarcon do it, but everyone else did not really contribute that much. So that's the first talking point. The second is I want to talk about the sequence where we got the lead for the first time in almost the whole game, diba? That was a Pablo jumper.
Actually, Pabs lahat yun eh.
Oo.
Kasi-
Pablo game yun eh.
Pablo game in fourth
ano
quarter,
yun
yeah.
six-
LT69.
si
Attack GH.
Pabs gave us the lead. Pabs gave us a 3-point lead.
Pabs play
Tapos
defense.
he blocked shots on the other end.
Oo, two big blocks.
Parang
Two big
sequence
blocks.
at kumbaga that moment nung nakalamang tayo, it was his time to shine. Kumbaga,
Pablo,
time
one
to
game
shine.
away. Prodigal son storyline mo na to.
Oo, konti na lang. So that was the first one. Yeah, that was the first. The next was Jacob's shot. Now, okay. Survey tayo dito very quickly between the three of us. Did you expect him to take a 3 or another 2? Ako 2. Personally 2. Ako 2.
Ako rin eh.
But more because, diba, against Ateneo, he did the 2. Against NU, did another 2. So in my mind, he's gonna take another 2-point shot. So I think, baka surprised UP by taking a 3 also. Diba?
Pero
Baka in-expect kasi nila magtutu siya, kaya nag-tres na lang siya.
Oo.
pero in fairness, maganda rin naman na depende sa kanya ni Raylan.
Ay, yeah,
Kaya
absolutely.
talaga better offense lang, 'di ba? Wala kang masabi. Skill work din. I
Yeah.
mean, we got to witness nung Saturday it was Jake Figueroa and Jacob. Now it's Harold. Actually, yeah, Jacob worked at the right time. Kasi
yeah.
first half his best of games, pero the good thing we were just trailing by 3.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
nung
yeah.
second
Keeping it
half,
close, eh.
he started to put in the work nung second half, and yun nga, nagtuloy-tuloy. So both, we have seen again a display of two players na grabe yung skill work nila in putting buckets, ibang klase.
But I think the biggest difference is, and I will give complete credit to the coaching staff of DLSU for this, is the minutes was managed eh.
Yes.
Yes.
Towards the end,
Agree.
si Alarcon, nakikita mo napapagod na siya eh, and he was forcing his shots. On the other hand, Lasal, pagod si Voris, sige, take him out.
Yeah.
Si Jacob,
Correct. Agree ako dun.
pinag-rest
Agree
the
ako
whole
dun.
time.
Agree
So,
ako dun.
again, credit to the coaching staff and trusting the other players.
So kasi ano naman talaga, yun yung I think yun yung lesson that
Yeah.
we have learned last year, 'di ba? Last year's finals na we can't really rely on 1-2 players.
Yeah. yeah.
Everybody really has to do their part.
Okay.
Not kung hindi man sa scoring, more importantly on the defensive end. Yun
Yeah.
yung ano.
Okay. I want to do one last one. Doy Dungo.
Oo, grabe
Doy
din.
Dungo.
Thank you,
First
Doy.
half.
Oh,
Thank
you,
you.
Doy.
God, bro. Like, we talked about this in the preview na
Para
Doy's
siyang
bet.
nawala, di
Oo.
ba?
Parang Doy's better off playing against UP. Oo.
Hindi, pati nung NU series, parang di ba, pinag-uusapan natin,
Oo.
ako, sana pagdating ng finals,
Yeah,
na
yeah.
maka
Ito si Doy, making up for lost time ni
Oo.
NU series.
Yep,
na
yep,
yun.
yep.
And we knew that he was better off against UP than against NU eh. Like,
Baka dahil sa
oo.
matchup din siguro.
Matchups. I think
Most-
it's a matchup
most
talaga
likely,
siya eh.
yeah,
It's a
most
matchup
likely.
issue eh. So okay. Finals game 2 is on
Sunday.
Sunday for
Most
yeah.
likely 4 p.m. na
Dito
naman.
ulit.
Yeah, okay. Just double check the schedules. Like, don't believe us. We're just doing a quickie after the game. Whatever you're wearing, wear it again on Sunday.
Ipalaban nyo na.
Palaban nyo na. Whatever that is. But also, like, pray for the team. The team,
Yep.
like,
They need it more than ever.
yes. And hopefully.
One step away na lang.
Yeah. So, from a season where we started off
2-3.
2-3, we're one game away from winning it
Everything.
all.
Ito na.
Going
We can see the
fourth
summit.
place. Oh,
Malapit na.
so konti na lang. And let's pray.
Parang
Let's
ano
pray.
kay
Let's
Willie,
hope.
rurok.
Oo.
Rurok ng tagumpay.
Malapit
Yeah.
na tayo sa climax. Lapit na.
All right. So, thank you for watching The Quiver. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our
Makakain na
page.
kami.
May shoutout lang ako.
Mga pala, mga shoutout.
Oo nga pala.
May dalawang shoutout ako.
Shoutouts.
First shoutout ko, shoutout to my dad. If you know, you know. Kung alam nyo, patron, isang patron lang.
Isang patron seat pa.
Sa patron seat
For
pa.
Sunday. Oo.
Two, gusto ko lang ano yan, I just want to remind the players, the coaching staff, the Lasalian community, in the wise words of si Coach Caloy Garcia and si
Stay
Coach
humble.
Topex,
Stay humble, guys.
humble, stay humble,
Stay humble.
stay humble tayo.
It's not yet over. We just
Yeah.
won one game. So, let's stay humble.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So, thank you for listening to The Quiver. We'll have another episode on like breaking down this game a little bit more. But for now, that's it.
O,
Thank
kakain
you.
muna kami.
Oh, yeah.
Kain na.
Kakain muna kami.
Thank you for listening to The Quiver and Animo Lasal.
Alim mo lasal.